In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to sign up for Claude AI. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Claude AI. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find the sign up section. You can either use your Google account to sign up or you can manually enter your email address. For this guide, I will be using my email address. After you type in your email address, click on Continue with Email option. Now you'll be receiving mail from Claude. So go ahead and check your mail. Open the mail from Claude. Now here, click on the option Sign in to Claude AI. Check in for these options. Click on Create Account. Now you will need to verify your phone number. First up, select the country, then type in your phone number, then click on Send Verification Code. Once you receive the code, type in that, then you'll be prompted to generate password for your account. After you complete these steps, you will be directed to this page. Now select the subscription plan. For now, I'm going to use the free plan. You can also download the Claude app or skip it. Now go ahead and click on Continue. Now type in the name. Click on Done. Now here you can pick 3 topics to explore. Then click on Let's Go. Now go ahead and select any of the topic to start with. Or in case you have your own topic, you can click on the option I have my own topic and continue. And just for that, your account has been created. So this way you can easily sign up for Claude AI. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.